Hey, how's everybody doing today? Hopefully you're having an incredible day. So today, I'm going to introduce you to this six-pack I got. And you're probably wondering, I got a six-pack of what? Well, over here, I'm going to tell you what I got. Because when you buy them, there's no description, no instructions, nothing, nada, zero, zilch. So I'm going to be a nice guy over here and tell you what we got. And these are actually universal cell phone and tablet stands. Come in a six-pack sold by Yenie on Amazon. And these are the highest rated ones with the 4.6 rating on Amazon. You get 6 for only $9. So you can't beat that. So let me show you. And I love how these colors are really cool, bright, positive looking colors. We got blue, we got purple, we got pink, we got black, we got white, and we got some Irish green over here. So let me show you. First, the size of these guys. Very small, very convenient, obviously very thin, as you can see. So going vertical here, guys, it's 3.2 inches. And then horizontal, it's 2.8. And these also come with, let me open it up a little bit, show you guys exactly what we're looking at. So they open there, and you can see right here we have different slots here. So this is going to be for the different sizes of the holder, meaning, you know, do you want it upright straight? Do you want it going back on an angle? Which is great. You know, 7 adjustable angles. And see right in here, this is actually a non-slip pad, so your cell phone or tablet won't be moving around. Then if we go over here on the back, see we got on 4 corners, we got these silicone pads, which is great. So it won't be doing slip and slide, you know, or crocodile mile on you. That'll be really good on your desk, maybe in your car, you know, on your bed, you know, when you're having phone conversations, maybe on Zoom with people or Skype, or if you're just watching YouTube videos. So let me show you how a cell phone looks when we put it in, guys. And we'll use the Irish green one as an example. So this is an older model, guys. This is a Samsung Galaxy S5. And as you can see, it fits very nice and convenient. That's horizontal. And then if we do vertical, go back a little bit and show you, you know, very good, convenient, very sturdy. And I'm filming on a Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Otherwise, I would use that as an example. And just to let you know, the S9 Plus fits perfectly in here. But let's test out a real big bad boy. How about a tablet? So this is a Dell tablet. 7 inches. So as you can see, guys, horizontal or landscape mode, perfect, you know, for watching videos, going on YouTube, all that good stuff. And then if we flip it around, little portrait on a pear tree, and you can see that fits great, and it's definitely sturdy, guys. It's not going anywhere. Strong, sturdy. So that's great, guys. I mean, you can't go wrong with that. And again, you're getting all these different colors, you know, which is convenient. They're great for gifts if you want to give them some friends, give them some kids. And I used to use, you know, odd things to hold up my cell phone, you know, when I had to do stuff. Like I would use the side of my video game thing, you know, to hold up the cell phone. And then it would slip and slide sometimes. But now with these little cases that are so light and thin, it's just so convenient. You know, I'll show you from the side. And there's the back jack. And they're just great. So I'll put a link in the description below, guys, where you can purchase these on Amazon, you know. And any questions or comments, let me know. I'll help you out if I can. And I think that's about it, guys. So see you later, alligators.